Good morning, traders. My name is Nathan Clements. I'm your active stock trader, and it is Crazy Wednesday. I say crazy because my hair is all a mess, and there was a lot of volatility in the market. I don't normally put out a video back to back. I put one out yesterday, but because today was so much happening, I wanted to put a video out today of my recap of how I did. So let's go ahead and take a look real quick at my charts. All right. So on my charts, I had these that I was watching today. I only ended up trading NUGT, ROKU, and CNST. I started the day with NUGT, went to ROKU, and then I decided, bam, I'm done. 10 minutes into the day, I've already made $600 and some. I'm gonna stop for the day. And then I started putting together, getting ready for this video, not getting ready for the video, but just kind of closing out the day. And then I'm looking at my charts and I see CNST. It is just going nuts. And so I look at it a couple times and I think to myself, I shouldn't get in. It's too high already. It's already up, gosh, $10 right here from open. There's no way. And then it just keeps going up. And I was like, you gotta be kidding me. This thing is moving. It opened at $18-ish somewhere in there. And it's already up here at 45. Oh, wow. Look at that. See, that's what I was afraid of. That right there. That's why I was nervous to get into it. Anyway, I did get into it. And so let's go over how all that went. So I started with NUGT today. Got into NUGT and all short positions and did really well. Got $315 out of NUGT. Only in this trade for 1 minute, and I was in this trade for about 2 minutes, roughly, give or take. Not give, but take a little bit, but roughly about 2 minutes in that trade, and did really well. Made quick trades. Take profits while you have them, and that's what I did here, and I did well. $315. Could have stopped with $315 because my daily goal is $200, and I was already over that mark. But this is only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes into the day, so I was like, well, let me look around, see what else we can have. Roku's a go-to of mine, so I jumped to Roku. And let's see what I did here. I decided to take a short in here as well. Got in the first short at 140.44, got out of it at 140.07. Was a good trade in 1 minute, in a 1 minute time frame. And then took one more trade the next minute and was only in it for 2 minutes or less. Really quick trades. And again, you got to take profits while you have them. I don't need to make $2,000 a day. I'm looking at an average of $200. I did $327.60 on this one as well. And at this point, I was like, okay, done for the day. I don't need to take any more trades. And so I started shutting stuff down. I started closing up everything. And I looked back at my charts, and it just blew me away how much this thing was going up. So I stopped at 10 minutes in, so 8:40. It was about right here in this range. I was like, holy cow, it's actually starting to make some move. And then it came back, looked at it like 10 minutes later, and it's up here, and I'm like, oh my goodness, this thing is going nuts. So I was like, okay, I'm going to get in it. And I was like, no, don't get in it, because you don't want to lose the money you've already made. But I kept hitting, kept waiting, and then as I was going into this, it was this halt here, I was like, you know what, I'm going to get in. I'm going to do it. Yeah, I'm going to do it. So I did. I got into it at 37.94, right in this as it was going into the halt, which is the high end of the halt. Now the chance you're taking when you get into a halt at the top is that when the halt opens 5 or 10 minutes later, it opens low, and so you can automatically be out a lot of money really quickly, and so it's a risky thing to do. Anyway, I decided to take that risk, got in it, and it went past 5 minutes, and I was like, well, it's already been 5 minutes. It's going into a 10-minute halt. Oftentimes, whenever a stock goes into a halt for more than 5 minutes, oftentimes it opens higher. And that was the case here. It opened at 39.80 and then screamed up to 43.70 in that minute really quickly. Now, because it was going into a 10-minute hold, I decided to come over here and put a sell order at what I got out at. 30. Oh, actually, I put the sell order at 39.88. It filled at 39.93, and so it filled slightly higher than what I put my sell order in, which is good, right? I mean, I'll never complain when it goes higher, right? But I put that in, so it opens, and within 10 seconds, it hit that 39.88 or 39.93, and it sold. And I was like, whew! $776. Boom, like that. It was, I guess it wasn't boom because there was a 10 minutes I had to wait to see that I got that money. But once it opened up, I got that money really quickly. And had I held, I could have made probably another couple $100. I was only in it for 390 shares, so it was really a low share amount. But I was happy with that trade. I didn't take a loss on it. So let's see what my day was. I took 10 orders, and my last one before a CNST or whatever that stock is, CNST, was at 840.15, and I was going to be done for the day. Decided to jump back in for this stock. Got in it at 913.12, and out of it at 923.16. So just over 10 minutes later, got out of it. 776 on one, positive 315 on another, and positive 327 on another, for a total of $1,418.70 today. That was a massive day. That was a big win on Crazy Wednesday. So everybody, if you liked this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. If you have any comments that you want to ask me, leave them down below and I'll respond to it. I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all have a good rest of your day.